tips on hand feeding king parrots. Well, the first tip is you've got to be patient. Yeah. The first thing you do is you get a block of bird seed and you put it out somewhere the birds are going to see it. So we had a bird feeder at the time when we moved in. And the cockatoos have destroyed that now. They just like to chew everything. But we got this new one here. It's made of metal, so they can't possibly destroy this one. We put a block of bird seed there and we waited. So yeah, we just waited until something showed up, basically. And the king parrots arrived a couple of days after that. And then once they had discovered the block of bird seed, we started giving them loose seed like this. At that stage, we couldn't hand feed them, but they were very friendly birds, so we could actually get quite close to them and it didn't really matter. Poppy, did you chew too quickly? You want some more? Hey? Good boy. So once we started giving them loose seed, we could actually get a little bit closer to them. Yeah, so we started sprinkling it on the ground around our house, and eventually they realised, you know, we were the ones giving them the bird seed, so we were the food source. Yes, girl? Yes. Oh. Oh! Okay. Bird officially just knocked over my camera. Gotta fix that. Yes, hello. Oh. Yep. Okay. Eventually, we started sitting outside with them as they ate. And then they started to get closer and closer to us each time. So soon we were able to get them to sit on our chairs with us, and then they would start eating the seed from a cup in our hand. Then not long after that, we were able to actually hand feed them. So after we started to hand feed them, they trusted us more and more each day. And eventually they would land on our hands or on our heads. So we figured out that they like almonds and sunflower seeds the most. To hand feed king parrots or any birds, you're going to need them to trust you. And that's how you hand feed king parrots.